Hey, what's going on? It's your boy DJ TLM. Welcome to The Breakdown right here on DJ TLM TV. The Breakdown is my new Scratch tutorial series for beginners, and in this series I break down Scratch patterns to show you step by step how you can perform these patterns. Now, every time I pick a pattern from my Saturday Sessions videos, and if you're not familiar with the Saturday Sessions, those are interactive Scratch sessions, and you can take part in those sessions by playing the videos, and I'll scratch for a couple of bars, and then you can try to emulate what I did. Now, for some of you, it is still pretty complicated when you see me do those patterns, so these videos here are to help you better understand how to perform those patterns. Or maybe you can use this actually as motivation, inspiration to come up with your own patterns. So let's take a look at today's pattern. All right, so this is an interesting one. It involves a couple of different motions with the platter. We're also gonna drop it, so we're gonna release it so you can hear the sound and then bring it back. We're incorporating the crossfader, doing mostly the transformer scratch, so closed position and then tapping when we wanna hear the sound. Sometimes we're gonna do the fast taps for short bits of sound. Sometimes you're gonna have to keep your fader open longer to hear more of the sound. For this, you'll have to press play because we have to let that sound play. I'll show you the entire motion first without pressing play, and then we'll do it pressing play. So you start with your fader in the closed position, and we're gonna start with a baby scratch. So forward, backwards. We're gonna incorporate the crossfader, and we're gonna do a tap on the forward motion, and we're gonna do a tap on the return. So when you do that together, you get. After that, you're gonna release it. So you're gonna open your fader and it's gonna play forward. And you're gonna bring it back, but bring it back slow. So you're dragging it back so you get that nice low sound. That's what you wanna hear. You close your fader, you're gonna do another baby scratch with 2 taps. So again, and then you let it play again. So it plays forward. Now you're gonna bring it back, but you bring it back a lot faster to get that nice sharp sound. Now, once you bring it back, you just play it again. You just let it go again, so it goes forward. Bring it back fast again, and play it one more time. And now when you bring it back, you're gonna initiate the second round of your pattern. Now, in this case, you're not starting with your baby again, because we're not in that position. We're at the end of our sound. So instead of doing the baby with 2 taps, we're gonna do 2 taps while we bring this back. This might seem very complicated, so let me do the entire pattern slow, and then I'll speed it up. Now that's the entire pattern. If you want to practice patterns with me in my Saturday Sessions video, make sure you click there to check out that session, or the link in the description box down below. Both will work. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you out. If you like the video, make sure you like the video, share the knowledge. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that sub. If you've already been watching my channel, but you're not subscribed, I appreciate that subscription. It really helps out the channel. Make sure you activate the notifications. That way you'll always know when I drop a new video. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.